Today in the Black Market Outpost, we're gonna stay on target. Welcome to Black Market Outpost. Today we're gonna take a standard digital picture frame and turn it into a targeting computer. We're gonna install that into a panel that's gonna fit on our back wall behind me. It's gonna do one of two things. It's gonna add a layer to our room build, and it's gonna get 2022 room build off and running. Let's head over to the shop and check out the build. I was always fascinated by the targeting computer display in the X-Wing fighter, and I just had to have one for myself. The best idea I could come up with for that display was to incorporate it into a HUD panel. The panel I decided to go with, I ended up laser cutting on my Glowforge. It's very important to wear some sort of a respirator when sanding MDF. It's really harmful. Shouldn't breathe it in. I used a simple box program to create the structure, and then I ended up gluing it all together. Yeah, about the 3 holes. We all make mistakes. The old adage of measure twice, cut once really played a big part in this.
Hi, I'm Brian from the Smugglers Room. You might remember me from such classics as How to Build a Moisture Evaporator Margarita Machine, or the better one, How to Build a Star Wars Room in 25 Years Flat. But I'm also the creator of Greebly Patch. Have a project where you made a mistake? Greebly Patch. Have a spot that is looking a little less than polished? Greebly Patch. Hide all of your mistakes with the Greebly Patch.
Get the Greebly Patch by calling the number below. Call within the next 30 minutes and we'll give you a second Greebly Patch for half off. Ready to make something out of nothing? Then call 1-800-555-SMUG. That's 1-800-555-SMUG. Call now.
The good old Greebly Patch Kit. I was able to cover up the 3 holes and move on. I wanted to keep the electronics for the HUD display as simple as possible, so I grabbed a digital picture frame, downloaded a few DivX files onto an SD card, plugged it in, and hit the play button. My friends, nothing says Star Wars like a few Greeblies in odd numbers. For some reason, peeling the tape was a real satisfying feeling. Well, my friends, that switch right there ended up being the problem to my electrical short. I did eventually replace it. I wanted to give the picture frame a mechanical connection as I was worried that it would shift or move around inside the box. A few more Greeblies placed in various parts of the build. I attached the back panel with screws just so that I don't have easy access to the batteries and the digital picture frame. I've been quite pleased with how my weathering has come out since I've switched over to makeup brushes. I really love using the aluminum paint pen for surface scratches. It's just got a real nice, shiny metallic look to it. I'm quite pleased with the way this project turned out, and I hope you've enjoyed the build as much as I have. And remember, no matter what life throws at you, always make time to make something.